yeah, shit happens. You might find yourself using your M-Pesa pin as the amount you are going to enter to buy your airtime. Alright, now this happens to a lot of people, or you accidentally enter a number that is bigger than what you had planned for. Alright, now how do you reverse that? I'm going to show you two simple ways in which you can convert your airtime back to M-Pesa. Like and subscribe to this channel if it helps you. First things first, let's understand how people buy airtime in Kenya. It is through two conventional ways. One is directly from Safaricom, or number two, through third-party agents. Those are the two main ways in which people buy airtime. Let's start with the first conventional method. You go to STK, buy airtime from there, and then you receive it. Now I'm going to show you how to reverse that. Maybe you entered the wrong amount. How do you sort that out? Now Safaricom some time back introduced this feature where you can reverse airtime being purchased from them. Okay, the only thing that you need to do is send that M-Pesa message to 456, and within 24 hours it should be sorted. You should receive the money back to your M-Pesa. Alright, or you can talk to them via their social media handles, that is Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and then they will sort that out. The customer care will take care of your need. It's possible now to reverse that. Okay, the second method in which people buy airtime is through agents. A good example is Mawingu Airtime. How do you reverse airtime to M-Pesa? Using the normal M-Pesa reversal system can prove to be difficult. I'll show you a way of converting airtime to M-Pesa, and I'm going to use 3 third-party applications. One of the platforms that you can use is an app from Play Store called Airtime Swap App. Okay, and number 2 we have Olickhom, and number 3 I have another platform called SwapCredo. All these platforms are suited based on the gadget that you are using, and I will explain that. Just stay with me. As for the Airtime Swap App, you need to go to Play Store and then go to search and search for Airtime Swap App. This is the app that you are supposed to download. I'll make sure that I attach the link to the app in the video description below. Okay, open the app. Now this is how my dashboard looks like, and I have two options, Safaricom or Airtel. Now my Safaricom is what has the excess airtime. I need to come to Safaricom, and then I'll enter the airtime, maybe 40, and note that I'll receive 32 shillings. Most of these third-party applications don't give you the full amount. Okay, just they charge you a small interest or even some small fee. I've changed my amount to 50. It seems that 50 shillings You have seen how fast and convenient the Airtime Swap app is. Okay, I have received the M-Pesa message instantly. In fact, it didn't take me even 5 seconds. Something that you need to note is that only convert Airtel or even airtime from Airtel and Safaricom, no any other network. Another thing that you should note, they charge 20%. They treat that 20% as the transaction fees, okay? And you receive 80% of the airtime that you send to them. In terms of money, you have seen how fast it is. Now let's go to our next platform, that is Olickhom. Head over to Play Store, go to the search and search for Olickhom App, and then you should see this application that has this logo. Okay, after downloading it, you need to open it. Now it has taken me to this page. I need to just type my name and then 078999388, and then I'll proceed. Okay, I have registered for the app. There are several options that are on this app. I just need to click on the convert airtime to M-Pesa, and by default the number that I registered with should be pre-filled in these first two sections on this input page. So airtime amount to convert, I should enter the same amount as the previous one, and I should receive 37 shillings. Convert, please confirm. I'll proceed. Okay, to dial that code, and then with Safaricom. Now you have transferred 50 shillings from your account to that one. Your account balance is that one. Okay, I head over to app. Now let's wait to see how much time it will take. It has taken almost 1 minute because I was waiting for this M-Pesa message. There was a sort of delay from Safaricom end, but Olickhom has sent the money 1 minute after I sent the airtime. Okay, so let's take time and understand this Olickhom. You have to manually send the airtime to Olickhom so that the money can be wired to your account via M-Pesa. Now in this case, if you are using a Katululu, the small phones with the buttons, okay, you need to press *702 then *55#, and then it will take you to the menu, and the process will be pretty straightforward from there. Okay, that's one of the ways you can do. This is suitable for people who have Katululu. Now let's understand how much they charge on that airtime compared to our previous, that is Airtime Swap App. Okay, Olickhom charges 25% because you have seen I've sent 50 shillings and I've received 37, is it 37.2 or something? Yeah, 37 shillings in terms of money. So they charge 25%, unlike the previous one which charges 20%. Okay, now let's go to our next platform that is called SwapCredo, which utilizes the website means. Head over to your favorite browser. For me it is Chrome, and search for SwapCredo. Now you need to click on it, swapcredo.com. Now this is how the dashboard looks like. Convert airtime to M-Pesa. Two options for converting airtime to money, that is Safaricom and Airtel. Okay, let me click Safaricom. Now I will turn on the location, and then I need to enter my number, which is 0721. Then minimum for this is 30 shillings and maximum is 10,000 shillings. I'll enter the same amount I have used for the other platforms so that you can compare all the three at once. You will receive 40 shillings. Submit request. I've received a message from Bimodi or from them, so I need to just go to the message, manually copy this message. Now for this case I need a notepad so that I can edit a notepad and paste the message here, and then I'll copy that USSD code so that it can send it to them. Call using my Safaricom. Now you have transferred 50 shillings from your account to that one, and your account is 7 shillings. Tried and tested. It has taken almost 30 seconds for the money to be sent to me. Thank God that the M-Pesa system is working efficiently and fast. Let's look at how much they have charged me for the transaction fee. SwapCredo charges 20% compared to Stockholm, which is 25%. These are three platforms that offer the same service. The only difference comes in where how they deliver that. Okay. As for the Airtime Swap App, you can only use it in a smartphone because it uses the application only. As for the Olickhom, you can use it using the USSD, which is convenient for those people who are using Kaduda or Kabambe, those phones with the buttons. Now, as for the SwapCredo, it gives a wide range of gadgets that you can use, mostly the modern gadgets, which is the laptop, computer, and a smartphone. Okay, it doesn't have the feature to use it in a Kabambe or Katululu. Okay, and that should be it. In case you get yourself in such a situation, you can use those three methods or four to convert airtime to M-Pesa. And this is what we do. We equip you with productivity hacks and tips to make your digital life easier. Make sure you follow us and like this video. And if you feel like, you can share this video to another person who feels or there is a need for them to know about how to convert airtime to money that is wired to your M-Pesa account. Be productive.